Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Finally friends, let's do the unboxing of the most awaited phone in my channel, which is a POCO X7 Pro device. So these are requests which I did get from plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this one. So this is a POCO X7 Pro. Finally, let's do the unboxing in the 2026 and let's find out everything about the device in the box. And let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to upload on the POCO X7 Pro device. So recently I did buy the POCO F7 as well, and I did get plenty of support from you all guys. So especially thank you for you all for supporting me. So definitely it's kind of motivating me to upload more and more videos. The more views I get, the more comments I get, the more questions you ask, I'll make more and more videos as well. And the only thing is that make sure to follow the playlist videos for every time in case if you are buying any phone, and also join my Telegram group as well and do support me by using my links to buy any products. That will be definitely helpful for me in buying more and more phones in the future as well. So that's why guys, so please use my links in description to buy anything from the Amazon website. You can use the links in description. Let's do the unboxing of the POCO X7 Pro in the 2026 and complete yellow background. I think I need to change the background of this one to white color. So now this should be okay with the background of matching. So now let's do the unboxing of the POCO X7 Pro. So let me know in the comment section below guys, what are the other videos you want me to upload on the POCO X7 Pro. So this is unboxing of the POCO X7 Pro in the 2026. Let's see what are the contents it did get in the box. So let me to keep everything aside and let me to remove the case. So this is a case which they did provide in the box. That's pretty good, as you can see, which is kind of pretty similar case kind of I get in the POCO F7. So mostly, and it is the phone itself. Let me to show you the phone. So this is a POCO X7 Pro, an unboxing in the 2026. This is a yellow color variant which I did order. So back feels pretty good. So definitely I'm not gonna use any kind of case on this device because of this back look. So let me try to restart the device and let's see whether there is any juice left in the phone or not. And let me show you exactly in manufacture date, is there anything written on the back or not. So there's nothing, no information on the back. So this is a 8GB and 128GB version which I did order, and phone comes with the Dimensity 8400 Ultra, which is definitely pretty powerful chipset, and 1.5K 120Hz refresh rate display as well, and 6550 mAh of battery capacity. So which I'm going to definitely do the battery rating test on this one and performance test as well. And this is a POCO X7 Pro. And let me just show you exactly what is iPadOS. It came in the box, and this is the initial setup which I'm trying to do at this moment. So let's do the quick setup, and not bad phone, doesn't feel any kind of heavy. I would say it's kind of okay. I did like this kind of pretty good finish sides. So yes, I do know it's like 1 year old mobile phone, but I got it, like I thought of buying this phone and making a reviews for you all, which so many people did request me on the POCO X7 Pro. That's the reason why I did buy this device at this moment, even though it is like a 1 year old mobile phone. So mostly I'll try to disable all of those, so which I don't need. So let me to skip it. I don't want any kind of lock screen. I just want tab drawer to be like that. And in the initial time, let me to use the buttons to feel the haptic feedback. So that's why every time I set up the device, I'll use the buttons, because I just want to feel that first impression of the haptic feedback in every phone, whatever I unbox. So is the iPadOS which is booting up in the POCO F7. So let me to remove this sticker as well on the back side, made in India, it says on the back side. So right now phone is preparing everything. Along with that, we do get in the box of 90 watts charger and USB-C to USB to USB Type-C cable as well, and SIM card pin should be also inside. And finally, it is a quick setup of the POCO X7 Pro. It's done, and phone has got the battery capacity of 52%. The battery is there in the device. So this is the phone, not bad, and haptic feedback is kind of decent, good. Let me try to show you exactly what is the software version it is running at this moment. In the 2026, if you are still planning to buy this phone, so maybe you might be able to know exactly. It's running Android 15 out of the box and iPadOS 2.0.1. as you can see guys, and security patch update which is of the April month, so of 2025. So today is 2026 January, so it's kind of like more than 6 months, so close to like 8 months of old security patch. I need to update that one as well. So these are the complete specifications about the POCO X7 Pro, and let me show you what is the storage availability in the device itself before installing any other application. So right now storage out of the box 256 GB, out of which 227 GB is available at this moment. As you can see, 227 GB is available, and system files 18.76 GB, and system did take 9 point. Total 28 GB got already occupied by the system memory, 28 GB. So let me just see if there is any memory exception got extension got added. So it's, let me maybe that's 4 GB got included, that's the reason why. But by default the phone comes with the 4 GB of memory extension. If you want, you can disable that. But definitely guys, I'm gonna do in-depth testing on this POCO X7 Pro versus POCO F7. So stay tuned for more and more performance and a lot of battery, charging, gaming and everything. I'll try to do more and more comparison between the both phones. And after POCO X3, this is a POCO X series phone which I bought right now. So I think long back I bought the POCO X3, and after that I didn't buy any other POCO X series mobile phone. And this is the POCO X7 Pro which I bought right now in the 2026. This is quick impressions guys, and let me know in the comments what are the things you want me to test it out. Like in terms of, you want to know about the battery performance right now in the 2026, or you want to know the gaming performance, you want to know the charging speed, heating test, you want to know how is the mobile adding up in this 2026, is it worth to buy or not. All of the details I'll try to definitely address in the comment section below. But let me know in the comments what are the videos you guys wanted on the POCO X7 Pro. I'll definitely do my best to post the video as soon as possible. That's it guys, this is a quick information, and these are the default applications and games which came with the phone even right now. That's kind of really insane. Like, I don't know why they add these games. Definitely you can uninstall them, but 1 2 3 4 5 games, and 2 applications, 6 games, and there's one more application, 3 4 applications and 7 games, 4 7 8 9 10 games are there. And there are applications like Snapchat, PhonePe anyway we'll use. So Snapchat and VPS Office is also by default. So there are some applications like LinkedIn, like these apps maybe I won't use much, but still they gave in the phone. But this is a quick update guys on the POCO X7 Pro. So far it's pretty good, and let me try to check the weight of the device, how much it is. Oh, not bad, it's like 200 grams. That is the reason why I'm feeling kind of slightly kind of less weight when you compare with the POCO F7, which is slightly kind of heavier, 223 222 grams without any screen guard protector. Right now there is no screen guard, but still it weighs 222. That is the reason why I feel like as soon as I hold this device from the box, I can feel like it's kind of not that heavy. Like considering the battery capacity 6,500 mAh, that's pretty decent weight I would say. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll definitely do a lot of testings on this performance and eating test and everything. Let me know in the comments what videos you guys wanted. I'll definitely keep that posted very soon. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and bye.